Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just here to show you this 2017 GMC Terrain that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this GMC has to offer. Now this unit does have a great blend of features included in it. As we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped there, as well as your rear park sense. So you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. You also do have your power lift gate equipped there. Quite a bit of cargo space in the back of the unit here. Plenty of room back there to store your gear bags kind of out of the way while on the go. Again, you do have your power lift gate option. Now this GMC also offers all-wheel drive capabilities, so give you that extra handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Just to check out some of the features inside here, so the unit can fit up to 5 passengers. You can see a decent amount of space back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably in the back seat. You do also have Husky floor liners included both front and back, so a great little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. The seats themselves are a leather seat and are in good condition across the unit as well. So up front, you can see you do have your touchscreen display area here. A lot of great features packed in there. You have access to, of course, all your audio, media controls, Bluetooth capabilities. So tons of great features easily accessible in through there. Just below that, your climate control options. Again, you can access your audio media controls through there as well. Heated front seats. A little bit of storage space in throughout your center console area. Help keep things organized well on the go. Steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have access to all your audio, media controls on there, Bluetooth capabilities as well. Cruise control. You do have your collision alert and lane departure warning equipped on the unit as well. All of your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen there, the unit does have 96,261 kilometers currently on it. But you can see this GMC's got quite a bit of great features packed into it, and of course the all-wheel drive capabilities. So if you're looking for something to upgrade into, this could be the option for you. If you have questions about this 2017 GMC, please feel free to give the team a call, 780-826-2999.